Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go over really quick and putting the prices and the total price at the end of what I got in my Boxycharm today. Okay, you guys. So the first thing that came here is a dose of colors. I've never used anything from them, so I'm very excited. And that's the first thing that I'm going to be applying. And I just love how pretty it looks. Ignore my nails. I haven't done my nails. Casi no puedo doblar los labios porque me los acabo de inyectar. The next thing we got is this. I actually tried using it in a green eyeshadow and it turned green. So I wonder if I apply a little bit what color it's going to turn. But I'm going to be applying a little bit as like the inner corners and see how it looks. That doesn't look bad. So I'm going to swatch this. So this looks like a tornasol color. I don't know how to say that in Spanish. The camera is not focusing, but once you like move it, it turns like gold or a different color. I don't know, but this is pretty neat. This is like a cream eyeshadow. I don't know, but it's really pretty. I like it. I also got some lashes, but because I got these with my Boxy points, so I'm not gonna count those. We did get blue eyeliner. I've been wanting blue eyeliner. I don't really use liner, but I'm excited for this because I've been using it on top. And I really like how my eye looks, like literally, but I gave it to my mom because I told her I was going to give it to her, but then I tried it out to take an Instagram picture because I needed to post a picture with using that liner on Instagram, and I loved it, and I wanted to take it back, but I already gave it to her. The next thing that we got here is this, which is kind of dirty because it was in my shower. You guys could see like the little water drops. I feel like this works amazing to remove your makeup, and it also says here that you could use it to remove your makeup. So that's pretty much what I got, and this is the total of Boxycharm, which is the price right here. And well, that was pretty much it for this video. It was short and quick. Let me know what kind of video. Oh, no. We also got this, which I did not really try it, but I'm probably sure other YouTubers did. I totally forgot, and I did my makeup today. So if you guys want to see how this looks, I'll link one of my friends' Boxycharm video and let you guys know how this looks. Or I'll be posting a video using this shadow and ask me what look you guys want to see with this blush. This is a blush trio, which I really like because I like orangey blush colors. So I'm excited for this. So guys, that was actually it for this video. That's everything we got in this box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I haven't done these in a long time, and well, let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more makeup videos, let me know. I'm thinking of posting just 1 or 2 a week. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys subscribe. I'm like looking down, and this is the total worth. And I think that was pretty much it for this box, right? Yes. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.